guys, it's Crystal the Fit Mom. Really quick, I want to show you guys how to turn your Kachava meal replacement drink into an amazing holiday flavored drink by just adding one simple ingredient. So I don't know about you guys, but around this time of year, I want just about everything to taste like pumpkin. Pumpkin lattes, pumpkin bread, pumpkin muffins, pumpkin pie, just anything pumpkin, I want it, right? So I'm like, how can I turn my meal replacement drink into that holiday-ish vibe to give it that warm holiday, to let you know the holidays are here feeling, right? So, of course, I have my Kachava vanilla flavored mix here. And of course, I already told you guys how awesome it is. It's plant-based. It has 240 calories. It's filling. It has 25 grams of protein, 6 grams of fiber, and 26 minerals and vitamins. So this is all that in a bag, everything you need, right? But I was like, okay, what can I do without adding a whole bunch of other stuff, right? It is pumpkin spice. That's it. Just shake some pumpkin spice. Don't go overboard or it's going to taste crazy, but just shake some pumpkin spice into your drink and that's all you need. So I'll be right back. I'm going to do that. I don't want you guys to have to hear the blender and all that stuff. Right back. All right. Before I put it in a blender, I wanted to let you guys know I put 2 scoops, as the directions say, 2 scoops, 2 heaping scoops of the Kachava. And what I'm going to do is, you can just look. You don't want to, ooh, that smells so good. Oh my gosh. So all I'm going to do is shake, 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 shake. 2 to 3, no more than that. You don't want to go crazy, right? So that's all I did was put 2 shakes of that. I'm going to go put my ice in. All right, guys, so I am back. Like I said, I just had 2 scoops of the Kachava, sprinkled a couple things of the pumpkin spice in there, which pumpkin spice is simply just allspice, nutmeg, cinnamon. So all that holiday goodness that you love. So there's the texture that it came out to. I didn't add a banana this time, which is driving me crazy. But I just wanted to show you guys the straight up Kachava and just the one ingredient right there. So let me taste this. That is super awesome. And I know you guys are probably like, oh, of course you're going to say it's good because you made it. But no, this is really good. It tastes like, heck, I can't even think of the name of it. You guys know what I'm thinking of. The cinnamon milk and drink. I can't think of it. But anyways, it's amazing. It's really good. And this, if you're looking for something to change up your drink and give it that holiday splash, this is it right here. Now, if you're into the whole minty chocolate chip thing, I would probably recommend maybe doing like a peppermint extract, just a splash of that with some dark chocolate chips. That would probably really be amazing if you're into the peppermint thing for the holidays. But that's all I got. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe and check out 7 Easy Steps to Becoming a Fit Mom on Amazon if you would like. All right, guys, see you next time. Bye.